Hello everyone, here I would like to present our work on virtual characters based on several AI technologies. So firstly, let's dig into some backgrounds of virtual characters. This idea of emulating a virtual character using computers has emerged several decades ago, but its application is only progressing slowly until the recent breakthrough of AI. There are several studies showing that the use of virtual character could deliver knowledge more effectively thanks to its higher bandwidth of information, and as a result brings a novel pedagogical approach with higher knowledge retention. On the other side, as human beings, we are inherently equipped with the ability and tendency to communicate with our own kind. In the education of cultural and historical heritages, the usage of a character could further enhance this realism, as we ourselves as people are the most important carrier of the past societies. Another aspect of the background, so MetaHuman is a framework developed by Epic, which is what we use in this project. It's basically a collection of optimized mesh texture here and clothing. It's designed to emulate the graphics of actual human as close as possible, and it's therefore suits our purpose very well. So when designing the virtual characters, one mindset that I use to extract what we actually need is to think about what do we do we what do we need and what do we use when we are actually interacting with actual persons in the society. And here's a current summary of the workflow that for this purpose. So basically, much of those details included in the paper. We need to create the character to its best graphics ability, and then gives it some aspect of interactability, such as the language model and transferring the voice in and out from the system to the users. Another aspect of the current summary are concluded here. So there are many tools basically competing with each other. As a whole system, we will need only to pick on one of these tools. Hey, Adam.
Good day to you, sir. How may I be of assistance?
Can you tell me something about your accomplishments?
Well, I believe my contributions to the understanding of economics and moral philosophy are my greatest accomplishments. My theory of moral sentiments explored the foundations of morality, and the wealth of nations laid the groundwork for classical economics, introducing concepts still relevant today. I am quite proud of the impact my work has had.
So you can see that right now he has a fairly accurate knowledge base, and well, this garment is temporary, but it's also physics enabled. Queen Mary right now is much more complete. I made the garment look much more realistic. You can see there's also physics, and including this part. The head garment is also simulated, and we can do the same thing as before. We can chat with the queen. Hello, Mary the Queen.
Greetings to thee, good sir or madam. Thou dost speak of my beloved daughter, Mary, Queen of Scots. How may I assist thee on this fair day?
Right.